Jai Hind students, today we are going to start exercise 2.3 and first topic is a reminder theorem. The statement of theorem that Px be any polynomial of degree greater than or equal to 1 and a be any real number if Px is divided by x minus a, then the remainder is equals to P of a. For example, if Px is given x e raised to 4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1 is divided by x minus 1, firstly we solve it by long division. When we divide x4 plus x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 1 by x minus 1, first term we get x e raised to power 4. When we divide x4 by x, we get x cube. So we take here firstly x cube. When we divide x4 by x, we get x cube. After multiplying x cube into x, we get x e raised to 4. And x cube into minus 1 is equals to minus x cube. We see that positive x4 and here is also positive x4. If we want to cancel these terms, then we get opposite sign, then we change the sign of this term. We get here positive, then we change in negative, and here is negative, then we change in positive. After changing the sign, positive x4 and negative x4, these terms are cancelled, and positive x cube and positive x cube plus x cube is equals to 2x cube. Clear? And other terms remain same, minus 2x square plus x plus 1. Now we divide this term by x minus 1 and here first term is 2x cube. Clear? When we divide 2x cube by x, then we get 2x square. Now we multiply positive 2x square because 2x square into x is equals to positive 2x cube. Clear? After multiplying we get 2x square into x, 2x cube, and 2x square into minus 1 minus 2x square, and now we change the sign because we get same sign. Clear? For cancelling we change, we want opposite sign, then we change the sign positive to negative and negative to positive. After changing sign, these terms are cancelled and minus 2x square plus 2x square is also cancelled and remaining term is x plus 1. Clear? Now we divide x plus 1 by x minus 1 and here is first term is x. When we divide x by x we get 1, so we take 1. Clear? Because 1 into x is equals to positive x and minus 1 into 1 is equals to minus 1. Then we change the sign positive to negative and then negative to positive. After changing sign, x is cancelled by x and positive 1, adding 1 and 1 we get 2, and 2 we see that here is no x, or we can write it as 2 is equals to 2 into x e raised to 0. In this term the degree is less than by the degree of divisor, then 2 is remainder. Clear? And according to theorem, if Px is divided by x minus a, like as Px is this this is px, and x minus 1 is x minus a according to theorem. Then p of a, it means when we put x minus a equals to 0, then x is equals to a. According to this, when x minus 1 equals to 0, we get x equals to 1 at the place of a. Clear? And p of a is remainder. Clear? When we check according to theorem, so p of 1 is equals to 1 e raised to 4 plus 1 e raised to 3 minus 2x square plus 1 plus 1, and 1 e raised to 4 is equals to 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, 4 times multiplying of 1 is equals to 1, and 1 cube is also equal to 1, 2 into 1 is equals to 2, and 1 plus 1 both terms are same, 1 plus 1 2, and 2 into 1 2, and negative sign is same, 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 2 cancel, then answer is 2. By the both methods we get same answer. When we use long division, then a remainder is 2, and according to this method also p of 1 is equals to 2, then 2 is the remainder of this p of x when we divide by x minus 1. Clear? It is easy way according instead of the long division. Clear? Example number 2, find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by 5 plus 2x. That p of x is given, and 5 plus 2x, when we put 5 plus 2x equals to 0, then find the value of x. Then 2x, 5 is transport on the right side, then we get minus 5, and x is equals to minus 5 over 2. By remainder theorem, p of minus 5 by 2 is remainder. Then p of minus 5 by 2 is equals to minus 5 by 2 cube plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 square plus 3 into minus 5 by 2 plus 1, and cube of minus 5 by 2 is equals to minus 125 by 8, and square of 5 by 2 is positive 25 by 4. And for the further calculation, we take LCM of the denominators, and LCM is 8. When we divide 8 by 8, we get 1, and 1 into minus 125 is equals to minus 125. When we divide 8 by 4, we get 2, and 3 into 25, 75, and after dividing 8 by 4, we get 2, and 75 into 2 in the numerator. When we divide by 2, we get 4, and minus 15 into 4, and when we divide by 1, we get 1, and 1 into 8 is equals to 8. Then in the next step, minus 125, 75 into 2, 150, and 15 into 4, minus 60 plus 8. Minus 125 and minus 60 is equals to minus 185. 150 plus 8 is equals to 158. After subtracting, we get minus 27 by 8. Clear? And example number 3. In this example, we also divide a polynomial by any other polynomial, dividing this polynomial by x minus 2. Clear? And by the long division, firstly we check that what is the first term. The first term is 2x cube. When we divide 2x cube by x, and here is first term is x, then we divide x 2x cube by x, we get 2x square. So we take first term 2x square here. Clear? 2x square into x is equals to 2x cube, and 2x square minus 2 is equals to minus 4x square. For this step we multiply this step by divisor. Clear? After that we see that 2x cube and 2x cube have same sign, so for cancelling of this term, here is need of changing the sign, so we change positive into negative and negative into positive. After changing the sign, these terms are cancelled, and minus 3x square plus 4x square. When we calculate these terms, we get positive x square, because 4 is greater than 3 and 4 is positive, so resultant is positive. Clear? And the other terms remain same with x square minus 17x plus 30. Now when we divide this term by this, here is first term is x square and here is x. When we divide x square by x, then we get x, so we take here second term is positive x, because we get here positive x square, and positive x into positive x equals to positive x square, and x into minus 2 is equals to minus 2. Clear? After changing sign, we get here negative and here is positive. Clear? If positive x square and this is negative x square, then we can cancel these terms, and minus 17x plus 2x, when we do this calculation, here is negative sign and 17 is greater than 2, then resultant is negative, and here is negative sign and here is positive. Minus 17 plus 2 is equals to 15x. Clear? Plus 30 remains same in this step. And now we divide minus 15x plus 30 by x minus 2. In this step, first term is minus 15x and here is first term is x. So we divide minus 15x by x, we get minus 15, so we take next term minus 15. Clear? After multiplication, minus 15 and x minus 2, we get minus 15x, minus 15 into minus 2 plus 30. Then we change the sign. After changing the sign, minus 15x plus 15x cancel, plus 30 and minus 30 cancel, and remainder is 0. Clear? So answer is 2x square plus x minus 15 is the answer. Thanks.